Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be talking how to apply foundation properly. Well, there are a few things about applying foundation, and that will be first to moisturize your face, and that will be with daily cream, for example, and then use a primer. The primer will help you if you have large pores, maybe some redness or even dry patches, as I do mostly in the cold season, and that will help you to prepare your face so that the foundation lasts a little bit longer through the day and it won't get cakey or whatsoever. Now, for applying the foundation onto your face, there are different ways. It can be a brush, it can be a beauty blender, or it could be your hands. There are no rules on how you apply your foundation and how you blend your foundation. You just have to use different techniques so that you can see what helps you and what gives you the best results for applying and blending the foundation. The best way that works for me is actually using a brush, and that will be something like that one right here. This brush here, it's the classical one for applying foundation, but not for blending that into your skin, because the brush normally it is not made to absorb the foundation. That means when you are using a brush like that, which one it's really flat, as you can see right here, a lot of product will remain into your face. It won't set in, so it might look a little bit over the top. Another best way to apply the foundation, you might find, like I said, the beauty blender, because it's a sponge, so it will absorb a lot of your product. So you might want to use just a bit of product at the first, and then apply more as you blend that in, just to see where you need more from the product, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to show you my technique, what I like to use and how I like to blend my foundation. I'm going to start here in the center of my face to apply it, and then just a bit here on my forehead, and then I'll start blending that in using mostly circular motions. Like I said, if you have the feeling that you need more product, then you can go again in with some more from that. Don't start by using a lot of product, because it will be harder than to erase it. I mean, it's obviously makeup, you can do it if you want, but it's just a waste of product and it's not the best of it. I always like to use what's left here on my hand and on my brush, just go over the ears so that everything looks the same, and then here on my neck. I don't use extra product for that. I just use what is left here on my hand, and I go and that will be it. Really fast and easy. Now, another way to apply and blend your foundation will be to do it in sections. That will be, for example, to start with your forehead, and either with your left side or your right side. Let me show you just quick what I mean. Again, just a bit of product here on the back of my hand, and I'll apply here on my forehead, and then I'll just blend that in, again in circular motions. and then I go farther here on the left side of my face, again here on the ears, and then I go on the right side.
Don't know me back home. They want me to believe in things I told them no.
Yeah, and those are the techniques that I use on applying my foundation. Please let me know in the comments below what you use, what you like, how you like to do it. As always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button below, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!